Controller drift can be a frustrating issue while playing FIFA 24. Here is a quick guide to help you fix it. Step 1. Check for software updates. Make sure your gaming console or PC is updated to the latest software version. Updates often include fixes for controller issues. Step 2. Clean the controller. Use a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to clean around the analog sticks. Dust and debris can cause drift, so keeping the controller clean is essential. Step 3. Adjust dead zones. Access the game settings and adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate the effects of drift. Step 4. Reset the controller. Turn off your controller and then turn it back on. For some controllers, you may need to press a reset button. This can help recalibrate the sticks. Step 5. Replace or repair. If the drift persists, consider replacing the analog sticks or seeking professional repair services. Sometimes, hardware issues require more than just a quick fix. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift effectively and get back to enjoying your game.